The point that I want to drive is that climate change mitigation is not catching up, right? So we have to think about adaptation. I heard Sanchan talk about adaptation and resilience, right? I mean, like, I come from water, so I would be probably a little biased. I say if climate change is shark, water is its teeth, right? I mean, we live in the same world that Emperor Ashoka to Akbar built the cities, but the availability of water has changed significantly because of change in temperature, the evapotranspiration level, hydrology has changed, right? So we don't get the same water. There's drought some places, flood some places, but distribution has changed. I mean, in this regard, I mean, if I just have to take about our water source today, right? I mean, we get water in Bangalore all the way from River Kaveri, right? And it is almost 150 kilometers. I mean, while we had thousands of lakes in the city, I mean, like if you talk about Kormangla or Domlur or all those things are lakes. So already we are taking away water from people who actually deserve it. We hope there is rainfall in Coorg, because if there is rainfall in Bangalore, it's going to be flood, right? I mean, so we're expecting rainfall to happen in Mandya or Coorg or this one, so that we have. So I'm saying that it is expected that you are going to even have water from Sharavati and Krishna, almost 500 kilometers. Okay, the second part is like today, because there's a warmer planet, the rivers are drying up and you don't get water in hot summer. So today we are drilling the hole. I mean, can you guess when did we have drilling in India? I mean, borewell. It came in 1972, and only 90s it became popular. Today, India consumes groundwater, some of whole of China and US, 25% global groundwater withdrawal, right? I mean, think of it. I mean, we are going through a real catastrophe, right? I mean, and it's not just Bangalore. Niti Aayog says 21 Indian cities are running out of groundwater. I mean, where will this water if it is not there, right? So I'm saying that we have been thinking about from a very carbon tunnel vision. We are forgetting about the adaptation. And I think if we don't consider adaptation, I've just talked about only water in terms of adaptation. I'm sure there are various other aspects about adaptation, right? So I think we have to give equally important emphasis on that. If not, I mean, while the oil companies are making profit on profit, our adaptation strategy is not strong enough. I mean, the only the rich will be able to have access to water, right? And I just want to add, if this whole bottle had water and the total climate investment was to be this bottle, the sip of it is only that went into water. So I don't know if it is not very attractive to venture capital investors. We have to augment this capital through various other snows. If not, like if I have to say is like I read modern history, I saw colonialism and war because of land acquisition. My son, who's a 3-year-old, when he reads modern history, he will see how oil was a reason for war, like Iraq, Iran, Kuwait. And if hypothetically, if I have a granddaughter, she should not be reading the history which says violence and war because of water. And we can actually reverse it if we become water positive.